Hi, I'm Paweł Spychalski and it's time for another round of me versus the 3D printed Goblin airplane. With the previous episode with this airplane, I finally managed to put it into the air and discovered that A, it doesn't like to go slow, B, it hates wind, and the pitch is almost non-sensitive at all, and roll is probably slightly too sensitive. I made some updates to the setup. I increased the throws on the pitch, I slightly lowered the throws on the roll, and today with slightly better weather, because at least we have some sun and definitely less wind than last time, I will just try to fly this thing with the FPV on, do the auto trim, auto tune, and then we will know what do I really think about this 3D printed contraption that you can buy the design for the Goblin for, like, I don't know, 10 bucks, maybe slightly even less than, something around 10 bucks. I don't remember right now. The link is in the description. It's not mine, by the way. And is it worth your time or really that? Not really that much. So let me put my goggle, let me put my DJI Mavic into the air so we will know how this thing launches. Hope that something good will come of this footage. And then let's meet at the probably final video about this little thing. Verdict: fun little airplane, but if you are not a beginner, because if you crash it, there is a chance that there will be absolutely nothing to recover, which I experienced during my first crash with this thing. Like, nothing really survived. I have to print everything from scratch. B, it doesn't like to go slow, so you have to keep really your throttle open. It has very little authority on the pitch, so any kind of the vertical maneuvers, it's really like we are not doing that over here. It's quite sensitive on the roll, so it's really like eager to do nice rolls and barrel rolls, yeah, rolls when it's flying, and definitely does not like wind. However, if the conditions are good enough and you are good enough of the pilot, I think it's really like fun airplane to fly, because it's small, it's light, it's fast, and the sound of the small motor with relatively small propeller whining where you are doing a flyby close to you is really like quite pleasurable experience. But like I mentioned, those things usually do not survive very long, because first, maybe second bigger crash will just force you to reprint everything. Yes, it's modular, but if you break fuselage in half, you will have to print the whole fuselage, because you have to glue this with the CA glue. If you break the wing in half, most probably you will have to reprint and reassemble the whole wing again, because this is how it goes. So definitely not concrete, long grass, it's a good idea, and go fast. Landing, one more time, kind of center of gravity sensitive. When I had the center of the gravity slightly too far, it liked to do barrels, well, flips during the takeoff, and when I get center of the gravity spot on, landing was like more like controllable glide to the earth, not really landing and the flaring at the end. No, that was not really happening. So the landings are quite intense. However, fun. Fun is something that really describes the 3D printed Nano Goblin, and if you would like to try yourself, then be my guest. By the way, I printed mine with the PLA, regular PLA. Author of the design says that if you will print it with the lightweight PLA, it will be of course lighter and as durable and probably behave slightly better in the air. So there's an option, you can choose between two of those, and well, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Until the next one. Bye bye.